Today I'm going to show you how to connect the XPro trigger to TTL flash. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications so that you don't miss any video that I post regularly. There's a trick that they don't show you in a lot of the videos because it had me struggle, because first time when I bought this I had a challenge. Without wasting your time, let me just show you now what was that I was missing. This is on, this is on. So let's start with this. What I can do, you see it's on, right? It's on. Make sure that they are on the same channel as a flashlight. Make sure it is in the same ID as the flashlight. So let's go set ID. Here is ID. So what we're gonna do now is, it's off, you see, turn it on to ID number 1. Then you come here and then you set, as you can see, it's in channel 1 and number A, manual mode, zoom 24. Okay, let's finish with this. Let's come back to the TTL. So press zoom and hold to set the ID, and then you scroll until you see ID. You see it's ID number 1. You make sure that it's on the same ID as the trigger. Press sync and hold. You see this thing like an, I don't know if you can see it, but there's this thing here that is flashing. You scroll this wheel, to, so now what we said we're gonna set it to number A, channel 1. So now it's on number A, slave mode, channel 3. Press and hold slave until you see this thing flashing, and then you change it to 1 as the trigger. Then you press OK. Just test it and see if they are connected. There's this test button here, so I'm gonna test it. So you see, connected. Make sure guys you put it on the same ID. Put it on the same ID, because you're gonna have challenges. It's easy to set it on the same channel and the mode, but you must make sure you set it on the same ID. So yeah guys, thank you for watching up until now. Please subscribe and turn on those notifications without wasting your time. Thank you so much.